Are you getting ready for your U.S. citizenship interview? Nervous about what to expect? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll watch a realistic mock interview, covering every part of the N400 naturalization process, including personal questions, English reading and writing, civics test, and tips for what to say and what not to say. This is a complete walkthrough based on real USCIS interviews, so you can feel confident and fully prepared for the big day. So watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more real interview samples and U.S. citizenship tips. Let's begin the mock interview.
Good afternoon. I'm Immigration Officer Christina. I've been assigned to conduct your interview today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you, officer?
Very good. And you?
I'm a little bit nervous, but also excited about this interview. I hope it won't take too long.
Don't be nervous. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Feel free to put your belongings next to your chair, but please remain standing. Before we begin the interview, I need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Now you can put your hand down and take a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes. I promised to tell the truth.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
How long have you been waiting?
I have been waiting for 20 minutes.
Feel free to ask questions if you don't hear me clearly.
Okay.
Can you please show me your green card, state-issued ID, or your notice that you received from the USCIS, and your passport?
Sure. Here you go. Thank you.
Do you have any questions at this point?
No, thank you.
Are you ready for the interview?
Yes, officer. Am ready.
Okay. Any questions before we start?
Yes. I was recently laid off from my job and applied for unemployment. Could that impact my citizenship application?
It's okay. I don't see any issue with that. Are you requesting any accommodation for the interview today because of a disability?
No, officer.
Did anyone come here with you?
Yes, my sister came with me.
Did you face any problem to find our location?
No, it was quite easy.
Do you know how to use a tablet?
Yes, I know how to use it.
How did you get here?
I took the bus.
Did anyone assist you to fill up your N400 form?
Yes, my husband assisted me.
All right. Why do you want to become an American citizen?
I've always admired the country. And I want the right to vote.
What is your basic eligibility to become a U.S. citizen?
I have lived here as a lawful permanent resident for 5 years.
How long have you been waiting for your interview since you filed your application?
I've been waiting for about 7 months.
How did you get your green card?
I got my green card through my sister.
Now I will review your application to make sure everything is correct. Where is your place of birth?
My place of birth is Colombia.
Can you confirm your birthday, please?
It's October 5th, 1991.
Can you tell me when you became a lawful permanent resident?
On July 14th, 2020.
Please tell me your current legal name.
My current legal name is Sofia Ramirez.
Is this the same name on your green card?
Yes, it is.
Ramirez is your surname?
Yes, officer.
Can you please spell your last name?
It's R-A-M-I-R-E-Z.
Do you have any nicknames or other names you use?
No, I don't.
Do you want to legally change your name today?
No, I am okay with my current name.
Do you hold citizenship in more than one country?
No, I currently only hold citizenship of Colombia.
Can you verify your social security number?
732456089.
Were you living in the U.S. before you became a permanent resident?
No, I wasn't living in the U.S. before that.
You were born in Colombia, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Are you still a citizen of that country?
Yes, I am.
Please tell me your phone number.
4157329984.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, I do.
What is your email address?
sofiram91@gmail.com.
All right. What is your current mailing address?
7820 Maplewood Drive, Phoenix, Arizona, 85018.
Where are you currently living?
7820 Maplewood Drive, Phoenix, Arizona, 85018.
Do you still live at the same address since submitting the application?
Yes, I do.
How long have you lived at your current address?
Since March 2021.
Let's review some biographical info. How about your hair color?
Brown.
What is your ethnicity?
I am Latina.
What color are your eyes?
Brown.
What is your height and your weight?
5 feet 5 inches tall and 145 pounds.
Were your parents married before your 18th birthday?
No, officer.
Are any of your parents U.S. citizens?
No, officer.
Where are they living now?
They live in Colombia.
Now you are not working. How do you support yourself?
My husband supports me. I'm staying home with my children while my husband works.
I see. What did you do before that?
I worked as a teacher.
Can you tell me where you worked?
I worked at a primary school in Colombia.
How long have you been working there?
I worked there for 4 years before moving here.
On your application, it says you're attending school?
Yes, I'm studying for a master's degree online.
And where is your school?
University of Phoenix.
Okay. Let's talk about your trips outside of the U.S. Have you ever left the United States since you became a permanent resident?
Yes, I have.
How many trips of 24 hours or longer have you taken outside of the United States in the last 5 years?
3 trips.
When was your last trip outside of the United States?
September 5th, 2023.
Where did you go?
Colombia.
What was the purpose of this trip?
I went to visit my family.
Were any of your trips lasted for 6 months or more?
Yes. I took one trip that was 8 months long.
What was the purpose of that trip?
I had to take care of my elderly parents in Colombia due to health issues.
I see. So, you were taking care of a family emergency.
Yes, officer.
Thank you for clarifying.
You're welcome.
How many days were you outside the U.S.?
155 days.
What's your current marital status?
I am married.
And the application mentions that you are married more than once.
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have your old marriage certificate and divorce decree with you?
Yes, here they are. Thank you.
Do you have any kids with your ex-husband?
No.
Okay. When did your previous marriage end?
I divorced my ex-husband in 2021.
Did you get your green card through your ex-husband?
Yes, officer.
Can you show me your current marriage certificate?
Sure. Here you are. Thank you.
When did you get your current marriage?
On March 7, 2022.
How did you meet your current husband?
We met at a friend's wedding.
What is the name of your current husband?
Samuel Johnson.
Is he a U.S. citizen?
Yes, he is.
Do you have children with your current husband?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What is your relationship with your children?
I'm their biological mother.
Do you have their birth certificates with you?
Yes, I have.
Can you please show me their birth certificates?
Sure. Here you are. Thank you.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Have you studied for the civics test?
Yes, I've been studying consistently since I applied.
Great. What version of the civics test did you study?
The 2008 version.
That's the correct version. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer. Am ready.
Please listen carefully to each question. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
Why do some states have more representatives than other states?
Because of the state's population.
What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
Vote. Join a political party.
What is one reason colonists came to America?
Freedom.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
Name one branch or part of the government.
Congress.
Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States.
Missouri River.
What major event happened on September 11, 2001, in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Who did the United States fight in World War II?
Japan, Germany, and Italy.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now I will go through your N400 application to verify everything is correct. And you filled up your application by fully understanding. Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the US or your home country?
No.
What is dictatorship?
Government with one ruler, full power.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No. Never.
What is illegal gambling?
Betting not allowed by law.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No. Never.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No, officer.
What is Communist Party?
Political group with no private property.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No. Never.
What is genocide?
Killing a whole race.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, officer.
What is rescission?
Canceling legal status.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, officer.
What are overdue taxes?
Taxes not paid on time.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
What is weapons training?
Learning to use weapons.
Have you ever done sabotage?
No, officer.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No. Never.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Said you are a U.S. citizen.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
What is national origin?
Country where a person is from.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. Never.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No. Never.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I do.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
What are non-combatant services?
Military help without fighting.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I am.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
What is civilian direction?
Controlled by non-military.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Why do people come to America?
Great job! You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. People come to United States to be free. Excellent! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, never.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
What is convicted?
Found guilty in court.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, never.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, never.
What is assault?
Attack someone.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No.
What is overthrow government?
Remove government by force.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, never.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
What is commit a crime?
Do something illegal.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No.
What is file tax return?
Send tax form to the government.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No, I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you.
All right. I've updated some of the sections. Please review the application on the tablet one more time to make sure everything is accurate.
Everything looks good.
If it is correct, please sign and date at the bottom. Please review the oath of allegiance. And if you acknowledge your willingness and ability to take the oath, then print your name, sign, and date at the bottom. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I need to run a quick background check and copy all of your documents. I'll be right back.
Sure. Not a problem.
All right. Thank you for your patience. I've completed all your copies. So here are all your originals, and I have your test results with you. Congratulations, you passed the interview. Here's the copy of your test results.
Thank you.
Just a reminder. You're not a U.S. citizen yet until you take the oath of allegiance at the official naturalization ceremony. We'll send you a schedule with the date and time of the ceremony.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Any other questions you have at this point?
No, I don't think so. Thanks again.
You are welcome.
I'm so happy.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Let me walk you out.